So now if you'll observe here, this is what the relation we have been derived in the last class, relation between small g and capital G. So now in our today's class, we are going to find this g value, and as well as already we people have been solved two numericals homework sums. That is what g value of Earth and same way g value of Jupiter. So g value of Earth we used to found that 9.8 meter per second square. Same way g value of Jupiter, how much guys it is? G value of Jupiter, how much it is? 27.22 meter per, yeah, to 27.22 meter per second square. Till here you have been done it. Is it as? Have you solved everybody these two sums? Numericals homework? Yeah. So now if it comes to here, now today's class we are going to study the next one is acceleration due to gravity. What is the symbol of acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration due to gravity, what is the symbol? Nobody is answering. What is the acceleration due to gravity symbol?
Meter per second.
My unit symbol, amma. Whatever, then what is the use of study? So acceleration due to gravity. What is the symbol I am asking? So acceleration due to gravity, what it is? It is G only, correct? Yeah, very good, Maitreya. So G. So now, what is these factors are depending? How this G value is varies? Is it everywhere it is constant or it is varying or not? That is what we will study. You don't have a mouth, you please open. If you are not, you leave from the class. I don't want anybody. I will never entertain like this silent classes. Acceleration due to gravity, you don't know the symbol and you are saying units. Acceleration due to gravity only we used to call it as G, correct? That is what we can say. Instead of A, we can write G. That is what G. So the units means meter per second square. This is called as symbol. This is called as symbol. How many times I should say? Acceleration due to gravity we used to represent with the G.
G.
Now, in our today's class, we are going to study what are the factors affecting it. Means in the sense of, if you are going away from the surface of the any sun, for example, if you take Earth, as we know, Earth case only, we can say this acceleration due to gravity. Also, we can call it as what? It is a G, gravity, we can say. In the case of Earth alone, remaining all the planets and any body, we can say gravitational force. In Earth alone, we can say gravity. Correct or not? So now, as we know, if it comes to here, this G value, what are the factors influencing on the surface of Earth? If you are going away from the Earth, how this G value varies? If you are going deep inside the Earth, how the G value is varying? That is what wills. That is only called as factors affecting it. So that is what our today's concept. Acceleration due to gravity, factors affecting it. Please keep heading. Factors affecting it. Okay, so now let us enter into this. So as we know that, remember all of you. So in yesterday's class, you have been solved that G value of Earth, which is equals to how much, guys? What is the value you have been found that? The standard value of G, which is equals to how much you have been found? 9.8 meter per second square. This is what we will study. The average value of G means gravitational acceleration due to gravity of Earth. Or even in first chapter and second chapter, sometimes you have been considered that acceleration due to gravity of Earth, they have been considered even 10 meter per second square also. But that is the exact value. So exact value is 9.77 and even we will consider 9.8 or we can say 10 meter per second square. But is it this value is constant? That is what our question. So if we take, unlike universal gravitational constant, understand? So if we take capital G is what, guys? Capital G is, this is only called as universal gravitational constant. What we should call? Universal gravitational constant. So this value is constant or not everywhere, Darun? Yes. So this value is constant across anywhere in this universe. If you take on the Earth, if you take on the Moon, if you take on the Sun, if you take on the Jupiter, anywhere, this G value is constant. But the small g value, acceleration due to gravity, is not like this capital G, is not like this capital G. So the value of acceleration due to gravity is not constant on the surface of the earth. So it is varies from place to place. So that is why the weight of the body continuously changes from one place to another place. Do you understand, everybody? So capital G is always constant, but small g is what? Small g is not constant. What is that? Not constant.
Not constant.
So it is varies from place to place. It is varies from place to place. So due to this, G is varying. So something is varies continuously. That is what we can say. Due to G, weight of the body is continuously changing. What is that? Weight of the body is changing continuously. So now next class we will study what is weight and what is mass, what is the difference between them, and etc. etc. Are you clear, guys? So due to the G value, who is changing? Due to the G, who is changing? Weight of the body is
Weight is changing.
Weight of the body is continuous.
Yes, that is what you have to remember. So later we will study what is this weight and etc. and how to find that weight of the body and everything. So you have to remember capital G is always constant, but small g is not constant place to place. So place to place it is varies. Suppose if you are moved from even suppose from Pudukkottai to Chennai, Chennai to Andhra, Andhra to, if you go towards the North Pole, towards the South Pole, everywhere at the equator line, everywhere, understand, at the radius of the earth, everywhere, if you take, as we know, G value is continuously changing. Understand? So the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth, you can take at the equator, it has been taken as the standard value. It has been taken as the standard value. That is only called as 9.8 meter per second square. Actually, this value is presented where, Elmoken? It is at the Earth equator. Understanding, Earth at its equator, it has been taken as the standard understanding, and it is equals to the 9.8 meter per second square. Now, let us see some of the factors that affect the acceleration due to gravity. So, what is that factors which will influence this gravity? Either it is increases or decreases. Now we will study. Shall we start? So now first one is altitude. What is that? The first factor which will influence or which will affect the acceleration due to gravity is called as what, guys? Altitude. What do you mean by altitude? Anybody? Jayvarshini, Shruti? What do you mean by altitude?
Height, sir.
Remember.
Height.
Altitude. Please respond. Altitude.
Height, sir.
Now, altitude in the sense of understanding. So it is height, we can say. Elevation. You may be heard a word called as elevation. Have you heard word elevation, Sai? Yes,
sir.
Yeah, elevation we can say. So elevation means we are moving away from the earth. Understand? So we are moving away from the surface of the earth. Then how this G value varies, that is we will discuss now. Shall we start now? So let us take, all of you observe, let G naught represents the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. Do you understand, everybody? What is that? What is that? G naught represents the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, and G is the same at height h from the surface of the earth. Let me consider now. For example, first, can I draw the diagram now? So for example, if you consider, let me consider now, this is what earth. What is this, Pradosh? This is what we should call it as earth. So now, this is what we should call it as surface. What we should call? Surface. Do you understand? So at the surface, as we already know, what is the G value? The known G value is, we already know that. How much it is? G value?
9.8 meter per second.
We have been considered at the equator average value, 9.8 meter per second square. Is it yes or no, guys? So now,
Yes, sir.
when we are moving away from the surface, this is what we should call it as altitude. What we should call? Altitude.
Altitude.
Now, you tell me, definitely on the surface, we know that value. That value already we know that, but we don't consider value. Can I consider let at surface, what it is, Ra? At
At the
surface,
surface.
G is equals to G naught. Can I consider or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? Yes, and now after moving away from the surface of the earth, means that is what we should call it as altitude. Can I consider that altitude is h, height?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
guys, you have to communicate. If you are speaking, then it will be more convenient for me also. Height is h. So after reaching certain height, definitely the G value will be some other thing. Yes or no, Aswita,
Yes,
Darun?
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So can I consider after certain height, understanding, at altitude, or else let me consider at altitude, understanding, altitude h, G value is equals to G. Can I consider or not? This is what we want
Yes,
to
sir.
find. Is it right? At this certain height, what is this G value? This is what we have to find it. Is it yes or no, guys? Any doubt till here you
Yes,
can
sir.
ask. Clear? Mavanish and Manya and Samina, Laksha is
Yes, sir.
not there. Laksha, are you there? Laksha is also not there. Please tell them to
Yes, sir.
join fastly. Somebody just call them. Those who are missing, Laksha, Manya, and Samya, Mahalakshmi, and Mavanish. So this is what. Any doubt, guys? Till here? Are you clear, Pradosh? Altitude.
Yes,
So
sir.
on the surface, I consider G is equals to G naught, and above the surface, it's okay, Laksha. Please call Manya and Samya, and Alana is missing, I think. So at the surface, G is equals to G naught, and after certain height, G is equals to what? Darun, Tamil Selvam, G is
G.
equals to G we have been considered. So this is what we have to find it. Is it yes, hello, Maitreya? So now, how to find this one? So observe very carefully. Now, at the same height h, as we know from the surface, at the surface, so then the relation between them, how to find it means, so it's very simple. That is only G is equals to G naught divided by 1 plus h by r whole square. What is that? The formula G is equals to, what is that? G naught. G naught is what, Pradosh? Elmukil. G naught is equals to
Gravity at surface level.
gravitational force, acceleration due to gravity at surface of the earth. 1 plus, what is that? 1 plus h divided by r whole square. So this is the formula we have to use to calculate what, guys? To calculate gravitational force from above, means at certain altitude. How to find the G value? This is the formula. So G is equals to G naught divided by what? 1 plus h by r whole square. Please write it. Any doubt, anybody you can ask me. Now, if understanding h is less than r, in the sense of it is decreasing, it is going deeper inside the earth. What is that, guys? If you are keep on going deeper inside the earth, or you understand what I am saying? Deep inside the earth, then G value will changes into reverse. It will go opposite direction. Then the G value will varies. You have to take it as G equals to G naught into, I will say that is also. Please write it. If G value is less than R, you can consider like this. So deep inside, I understand everybody. Again, on the surface, what, guys? On the surface, let me consider G naught. So this is inside rock. Understanding? So if H is less than R, what is that? Small, it is less than R. R indicates what, guys? R indicates what? We know that. Radius of the earth. Is it yes or no? Please respond. Radius of earth. If H in the sense of altitude is less than R, means in the sense of if you are keep on going down inside the earth, understanding, down inside the earth, then G value will varies. As we know, suppose at this certain height, I want to find it G value, then G is equals to, please write it, G naught into, what is that? G naught into 1 minus 2h by r. So this is the formula when we have to use, guys. When h is less than r, understanding it is more less than r, radius of the earth, then at the depth, this is altitude. Then the second factor is what, guys? Second factor is at depth. Do you understand? Depth, if you are keep on going, then G value varies G naught into 1 minus 2h by R. This is the formula for we are using to calculate G value. Are you clear, everybody? Any doubt, anybody, you can ask. So what is the first formula? At altitude, what is the G value? At altitude, G is equals to what, guys? At altitude, G is equals to G naught divided by 1 plus h square, 1 plus h by R whole square. And if h is less than R, then the relation is, understanding, G is equals to G naught into 1 minus 2h by R. Are you understand, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what the formula you have to remember. Any doubt, anybody you can ask. Clear? No.
Yes, sir.
Two examples also I will teach you. So now let us go. So all of you remember, if h is less than R, then what is the relation, guys? If it is h is extremely less, like less than continuously, then what is the relation? 1 minus G naught into 1 minus 2h divided by R. Are you clear, everybody? So now this is what the first thing. So based upon that, let us go and we will study it. So now this is what, any doubt, anybody, you can ask me. So now please all of you write it, and I will show you one tabular column now, how this altitude is varies with the height. So please all of you observe this tabular column. This is the two formulas. Even we will discuss the derivations also, how these formulas came and all. So now, so if you are keep on going elevation, so what is the first factor, Pradosh? What is the first factor if it is affecting the gravitational force, acceleration due to gravity? Altitude. That is what you have to remember. So altitude. So if you'll observe, so as we know, at the surface of Earth, what is the G value? You can see 9.8. It is even given 9.82. So most precise value you can take, but it is 9.8. So if you'll go 500 kilometers above from the Earth, then what is the value? 500 kilometers above from the Earth, 8.28. Understand? If you'll go 1000 kilometers above from the Earth, 7.34. If you'll go 5,000 kilometers, 3.08. If you'll go 6,371, 2.46. If you'll go 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. If you'll go 30,000 kilometers away from the Earth altitude, then the G value is how much? See how much it is. Extremely. Understanding. Very. Have you noticed it? That is what you have to remember. So if you are keep on going away from the Earth, then what is happening, Ra? What is you have to remember? G value is increasing or decreasing? G value is decreasing. Height is increasing. If height is increasing, G value is decreasing. If height is decreasing, G value, what is happening? G value
increases.
So that is what you have to remember. So from this I can say altitude is always inversely proportional to acceleration due to gravity. Is it yes or no, guys? That is what means, in the sense of height away from the surface of the Earth is always inversely proportional to acceleration due to gravity. Or I can say G is inversely proportional to altitude. Are you clear? Any doubt, anybody, you can ask me till here. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please note it down.
Yes,
So for the based upon the first case, we have how many formulas? We have two formulas. One is H value. We have a minimum depth, understanding. So minimum altitude, we have to use the first formula. If H value is very, very small, understanding. If H value is extremely small, like in the sense of 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, then it is, we have to use what? G is equals to G naught into 1 minus 2h by R. This is what we have to use it. So this is the case one, second case it is on. Case one only, this is the second formula. So this formula we have to use again. So before we have done small mistake in the diagram. So this is what we should say. What is this called as, guide? Anybody can say? Radius of the Earth. What is that? Radius of the Earth. Now, See, this formula we will use when we are having a H value is like, example I'm saying, H value is like 500 kilometers, H value is 1000 kilometers, 2000 kilometers, like that we will use which formula, Pradosh? We will use, this is the formula. Are you clear? For calculating high value. Are you understand, Elmokil? Clear, Asmita? Now, if H value is very, very extremely small, for example, 1 kilometer away from the surface, 2 kilometers away from the surface, 3 kilometers away from the surface, 4 kilometers away from the surface, like this 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, means extremely smaller than the R. Is it yes or no? Less than, very, very smaller. So in this case, understanding G value, we will use what? Calculating G at this surface extremely small, then we can use G naught into 1 minus 2H by R. So this is what the two formulas you have to use it. Any doubt in this, you can ask me. So what is the first factor which will influence the G? What is the first factor? Altitude. Understand that? So altitude increases. What is happening, guys? G value decreasing or increasing? Altitude increases. Sai? G value is
G value decreases.
increasing. Acceleration due to gravity is decreasing. That is what you have to remember. So now, can we solve two numericals based upon this? Then it will be very good for us. Correct? So now, as I said, so in the tabular column, I have been shown you at 6,371 kilometers. What is the G value? Anybody can see and tell me? 6,371 kilometers, G value is around 2.46 kilometers. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
2.46 meter per second square. That is what the G value in the tabular column. So now let us see, we will proceed with this numerical and let me see how we will solve everybody. So please all of you read this question. All of you read this question, guys.
Calculate the acceleration due to gravity at a height of 1600
Yes.
kilometers from its surface of the earth. Given acceleration due to gravity on the surface
Yeah.
of the earth, G naught
G naught is equals to 9.8 meter per second square and the radius of earth is equals to 6,400 kilometers. So now this height, so given height is how much, guys? Given height is how much? So if you take radius of the earth, so as we know, radius of the earth is equals to how much, Shruti? Now open your mouth. If you are speaking only, it will come. So radius of the earth is equals to 6,400 kilometers. Now height from the elevation. So as we know, G naught they have given. G naught we have to take it how much, guys? 9.8 meter per second square. Now, what is the elevation? What is the elevation? H is equals to 1600 kilometers. So now, here what is the G value? We have to find it at this height. Is it yes or no, guys? This is what
Yes,
it is. So as I said, H is extremely small. We have to go with the second formula. Now H is minimum value. It is 500, 1000, above 100, above 50 also. We can use the first formula. If it is very, very small, like 1, 2, 3, 4, then only we have to go with the second formula. So now which formula we have to use, guys?
First formula.
First formula. So G is equals to G naught divided by 1 plus H divided by H is R square. But as we know, first G, what is the unit of G raw? Maitreyan, G is equals to what? Meter per second square. This is what the unit. But here what they have given? They have given in everything in kilometers. So that is what we have to convert it first. So first you have to check G naught is equals to, as we know, 9.8 meter per second square. Next one, what is that, guys? Next one, what? Radius of the earth is equals to 6,400 kilometers. So which is equals to how many meters, guys? Anybody? 6,400 into 10 power 3 meters. Is it yes or no? Because 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meters. Are you understand, everybody? So this 1,000 only, can I write as a 10 power 3 meters? Nobody will answer. Yes or no? That
Yes,
is.
sir.
Now, same way,
Yes, sir.
height h is equals to, they have given 1600 kilometers. So 1600 kilometers means how I can write? 1600 into 10 power
10
3
power
into 10
three.
power
meters.
3
Are you clear?
meters.
That is. Any doubt in this? You can ask me. So if you understand this, then we will proceed. Okay. So now, if you'll notice it here, even we no need to write even this is in meters also because everything is same, correct? So even because HH will anyhow the kilometer will get cancelled or meters also will get cancelled because we are already having a G unit. Is it yes or no? Yes. So already this is what the final unit we want. Is it SL Mukil? Pradosh?
Yes,
So
sir.
now, if we'll take this one in kilometers or in meters, then we'll get the same answer. That is not an issue for us because both will get cancelled. So now that is what, how it is, let us see. So now what is the formula we have to use it here, guys? Anybody? So G is equals
G is
to,
equal to G naught.
respond. So G is equals to, what is the formula? G naught divided
G
by,
naught divided by 1 plus
G naught divided by 1 plus H divided by R whole square. Is it yes, guys? That is what you have to remember. So G value, we know that how much it is 9.8 meter per second square divided by 1 plus, what is the height? What is the height? 1600. Understand it? 1600 you can take. So now kilometers, correct? So meters we are writing. So it's no issues. Can we write in kilometers itself? Because anything both will get cancelled. Same answer will come. Divided by, what is the radius, Radius.
6,400.
6,400. So 6,400 kilometers. So this will become whole square. So now anyhow we can get cancel kilometer. So unit is same. So now you can take the LCM. So how much it will come? 9.8 divided by LCM is, can I take it as 6,400 is LCM? It will become like a 6,400 plus 1,600. So please all of you do this. How much it will come? 6,400 plus 1,600. You have to tell me fastly.
6,000, sir.
6,000. 6,400 plus 1,600. 6,000, Pradosh.
Sir, 8,000, sir.
That is what you have to tell. So now, which is equals to 9.8 divided by, this is how it will become 8,000. 8,000 divided by 6,400. So now 6,400, what will become? It will go to the numerator. Yes or no? 9.8 into 6,400 divided by 8,000. Understand? So it will become 8,000. So now, can I cancel these two zeros? Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2 zeros, 2 zeros. And 64 and 80 will go in particular table.
Yes, sir.
Anybody say, what is the table? 64 and 80? 64 and 80. Both are
Square.
squares.
16 table.
16 table. 16 table they will go. Yes, very good, Maitreyan. So 16 fours are 16 fives are. Is it yes or no, guys? That is what you have to remember. So now 9.8 into 4 divided by 5. So please all of you do this and tell me. 9.8 into 4.
Sir, the answer is 7.84.
Wait. 39.2 divided by 5. You have to solve it. Understand? If you are not solving here, numerical. What? Oh, yeah, we forget something. We are missing something. That is what I am expecting. Yes, very good, Prabhudas. So that is what formula itself we are missing. That is what we have forgot to do.
Sir, whole square.
Whole square. So that is, so please all of you from there, you have to rectify everything. So do it, everything. That is what will come. So now here itself we can finish it. So now this everything is going to change it now. So what is going to happen? Whole square means everybody. So 8,000 whole square. It will turns into just a minute. So from here we'll proceed again. So here whole square we forgot it. So whole square we forgot it. So we have to solve it from again first. So this will become what? Whole square.
64 and 60 will be there.
Yes, that is whole square. So now it will turns into 9.8 divided by, this one will turns into what? I think 64 into 10 power 6 it will become. Is it yes or no, guys? This you do it.
Yes,
8,000,
sir.
1,000. Is it yes or no? All of you solve
Yes,
it.
sir. 4
Yes.
into 10 power 6.
Yes, 64, 6,400 into 6,400 leads to, it will becomes 40.96 into 10 power 6. This is what it will become. So everybody to do it till here. Now it will turns into 9.8 into 40.96 into 10 power 6 divided by 64 into 10 power 6. So 10 power 6, 10 power 6, anyhow it is going to get cancelled. So now if you do, you will get the answer. So what is that? You can see. So now 9.8 into 40.96. So which will come around 401.408 divided by, if you'll do 64, if you'll get 64, if you'll do, you'll get 6.72.
6.272.
So this is what the G value. So now you can see what is the units of G value. So units of G value is meter per second square.
Second.
This is what the, if you'll go 1600 kilometers away from the earth, then G value is very how much? 6.272 meter per second square. So that is what the answer. So please all of you solve slowly. Here we forgot to do the square. That is what we are getting wrong. So 8,000 into 8,000, you will get this value. Next same way how to do 6,400 into 6,400. All of you do these two values and you solve it. Any doubt, anybody you can ask me. Are you clear, everybody? Yes, you have to solve it, everything. Rough work, everything must be there. Then only people can understand. I understand, brothers? Now, see, small mistake also it will lead to wrong answers. Shruti, are you clear? Everybody solve it, solve it. It will take time. Next question you can solve. Elmokil, are you understand Elmokil?
How so 10 power 6 came?
This multiplication, this value will come, 8,000 into 8,000 will come how? 8,000 into 8,000 will come
64.
64 crores it will come. Is it yes or no? Say 64, 000 will come. So can I write this as a 64 into, this is 3 zeros, 3 zeros. Can I write as a 10 power 6? That's all. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sita?
Yes, sir.
So now this one will come as a 40 crore 96 lakh. Understand, everybody? So now this one I can write it as a, so here it will come. So this one I can write as a how? I can write it as a 40.96. 40.96 into 10 power 6 I can write. Okay, that's all. Have you got the answer, everyone? Same?
Yes, sir.
Please respond, solve it. Monish, Maitreyan, Sai.
Yes, sir.
Now, if G value is extremely small, then I said you, what we have to use G value, suppose like 5 kilometers. For example, I want to find Yelmokil, Prados and all, you all people went for a trekking. Understand? You all people went for a trekking. Then you want to know at that place, what is the G value? So it is extremely small. Is it yes or no? So just
Yes,
away
sir.
from the earth. So if you take extremely small, just away from the earth, as we know, R is equals to how much? 6,400 kilometers. Yes or no? So now you went a little height. It is extremely small. H is extremely small than R. Then in this case, we want to find. So as we know, at the surface, G value is G naught. And here we have to find it at height. So in this case, what is the formula we have to use? I said. So we have to use G is equals to Z naught into, what is the formula? You have to tell me. So G naught
minus 2h by r.
1 minus 2h by r. 1 minus 2h by r. That's all. So now this is what the formula we have to use it. So everything we people know. So now only substitution. So G value how much? G naught value 9.8. 1 minus 2 into H is equals how much in the question? You can see H is equals how much? The surface, the height of 5 kilometers from the surface of the earth. What is that, guys? 5 kilometers from the surface of the earth. So what is the H is equals to? H is equals to how much? 5 kilometers. Understand? So 5 kilometers divided by R value how much? 6,400.
6,400.
So now you can do, which is equals to, so G is equals to now 9.8 into, so 1 minus, this will become 10, 10 divided by 6,400. So many will get cancelled this, but it is wrong because we have to take LCM. Yes or no? So don't get cancelled. So now which is equals to 9.8 into what is the LCM, Ra? 6,400 is the LCM. And 6,400 minus 10. So this is what it is. So please all of you do it. So which is equals to 9.8 into 6,400 minus 10. How much, Ra? 6,390 divided by 6,400. 0 will get cancelled. So now you can see, everybody solve it. 9.8 into 639 divided by 640. Everybody do this division and tell me. Meeting is going to end. Please join fastly again without fail. Laksha, are you solving? I want answers now. 639 divided by 640. How much it is? Which is equals to 9.8 into 0.